Welcome to DLC, Diamond Lifestyle Corporation. Okay. Sinong gusto nyo makaroon ng diamond? Oh, syempre lahat gusto may diamond. Today, many people, they have the diamond. But sad to say, they don't have the lifestyle. Tama ko hindi? Okay. But even worse is, so many people, even though wala silang diamond, inuunahan nila yung lifestyle. Diba? So what happened? Lubog sa utang. So the Diamond Lifestyle Corporation, DLC, our aim is to help people not only to dream for a better lifestyle, but literally, we want to help everybody to enjoy a diamond lifestyle. Okay? Diamond Lifestyle Corporation, DLC, we started 2009 in Taiwan. Okay, with the head office located in Taipei, and we have 3 other offices in Taiwan, one in Kaohsiung, Tainan, and the others in Taichung. Actually, DLC is a British registered company. It so happened the owner of DLC was residing in Taiwan. Kaya ang head office natin ay nakatayo sa Taiwan. In the Philippines, we started 2010. This is our head office located in the Quezon City in Manila. Okay? Now, the owner of DLC is this guy called Eddie Chai. Who is Eddie Chai? Eddie Chai was known as one of the greatest networkers in the world. Okay, in the book, The Greatest Networkers in the World, featuring 21 very big, very good, okay, the greatest networker in the world, and Eddie Chai is one of them. 30 years in the industry of network marketing is Eddie Chai, with more than 3 million distributors in 25 countries. That is the owner of DLC. And his dream is just to help 80% of the distributor na makaka-enjoy ang isang diamond lifestyle. We have more than a company of network marketing. Okay, what is network marketing? Any idea? Sino sa inyo may knowledge regarding networking? Huh? Wala response. Okay, now, before I explain to you what is network marketing, let me explain to you what is traditional marketing. We talk about marketing, we are simply talking about how we sell product. There are traditional way of marketing, meaning, pag sinasabi ko traditional way of marketing, is when a product na galing sa factory, you will go through many channels. Distributor, wholesaler, middleman, area agent, before the product will reach a retail store. At tayo, bilang isang consumer, we buy almost everything from a retail store. Tama ko hindi? Kaya sometimes a product is only 100 pesos factory price, but when this product reach a consumer, it always costs us more than 100 pesos. Tama ko hindi? Now, this is what I mean by traditional marketing. How come pag dumating sa mga consumer, masyado mahal ng product? Simply because lahat ng dinaanan nila ng channel ay may patong sila. Okay? This is what we mean by traditional way of marketing. If this is traditional way of marketing, what is network marketing? Ang network marketing is different. When the product na galing sa factory this time, it will go through a company normally. And you can do the business 2 ways. First, to become a distributor of the company, you get product from the company and you sell it to consumer. We call the system direct selling. Okay? But ang natandaan sa network marketing, it is more than just direct selling. In network marketing, you can also do direct selling, pero natandaan niya, you can also invite your friend over and you form yourself a team or a group. Use the team effort and you sell product to consumer. Kaya network marketing, many times is also known as the team marketing. Because you use a team effort para makabenta ng produkto. Anong kaibahan ng network marketing from a direct selling? In that case, sa direct selling, you only earn when you sell the product. Sa network marketing, maski hindi ikaw nakabenta ang produkto, you also get a commission from the product you sell. Kasi ang sales, ang commission mo ay galing sa group sales. And yet still people confuse between network marketing and the term networking. They always ask me the question, networking ba yan? Question, is network marketing same as networking? Answer, no. Okay? Anong kaibahan ng dalawa? Kala ko sila pareho. Actually, hindi. In network marketing, the income comes mainly from the commission of the product sold in an organization. In other words, ang full cost of network marketing is marketing. selling a product. In that case, then what is networking? Networking, obviously, tinanggal nila yung marketing assistant. Kaya, networking. So, ang networking, the income is comes mainly from the number of people recruited. Ang focus is not on the selling, but more on the investment or membership of a person. Okay, that explains all. Today, franchising business is considered as a network marketing. Okay, just like McDonald's. Okay, McDonald's have more than 30,000 outlets today in the world. Each outlet just sell one burger. Kung ang burger halaga is 100 pesos, that means McDonald's is making a 3 million sales. Okay? Because the purpose of the network outlets is to market the burger. Okay? So, what makes the difference between network marketing and networking? Since networking, they remove the marketing from the system. Okay? Eventually, they also remove product from the system. So, ang kinikita ng networking, normally, hindi siya galing sa marketing of product, but from the people they recruit. From the membership. Kaya, paano mo nalaman sa company ay networking? Normally, they have a very high membership. Napakalaki ang membership. And the system of networking, according to DSAP, okay, according to the DTI, Department of Trade and Industry, it is called pyramid scam. Kaya nang labas ng DSAP, the Selling Association of the Philippines, the 8-pointer test to detect a pyramid scam. First question they ask is there a product? If the answer is no, then there is a high probability of pyramid scam. Second question, ang income ba galing ba sa pagbebenta ng produkto o sa entry fee? Again, kung galing sa entry fee, it is a high probability is a pyramid scam. But good news, ang DLC ay hindi tayo isang networking company, lalo na hindi tayo pyramid company. Because we have product. We have so many products. We have more than 200 products today.